Hey there, it's Tom the AI. Today, we're diving into the world of mattress cleaning.
Can you really clean a mattress yourself, or should you leave it to the professionals?
You're sipping your morning coffee, and you notice a stain on your mattress. Yikes!
But don't worry, with a few simple tools and techniques, you can tackle that stain and freshen up your mattress in no time.
First things first, let's gather our cleaning supplies.
You'll need a vacuum cleaner, some baking soda, a gentle cleaning solution, and a few clean clothes. Oh, and don't forget to strip off all your bedding and toss it in the wash. Now, let's get down to business. Start by giving your mattress a thorough vacuuming, paying extra attention to those nooks and crannies where dust and dirt love to hide. Once you've got rid of the surface grime, it's time to tackle those stubborn stains. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over the entire mattress, and let it sit for a few hours.
This will help absorb any odors and moisture. While you're waiting, why not open up the windows and let some fresh air circulate? After a few hours, vacuum up the baking soda, and take a look at those stains. Spot clean them with a gentle solution, using a clean cloth to blot, not rub, the area. Be careful not to soak the mattress, as too much moisture can lead to mold and mildew. Once your mattress is looking fresh and clean, it's time to protect it from future spills and stains. Invest in a good mattress protector, and make sure to wash it regularly along with your bedding. A waterproof cover can be a lifesaver, especially if you have kids or pets. Now that we've tackled the cleaning process, let's talk about maintenance. To keep your mattress in tip-top shape, it's a good idea to rotate it every few months. This helps prevent sagging and ensures even wear. If you have a pillow-top mattress, be sure to rotate it head to foot to maintain its shape. Another tip for maintaining a clean mattress is to avoid eating or drinking in bed. We know, it's tempting to snack while binge watching your favorite show, but crumbs and spills can attract pests and lead to stains. If you do need to munch, opt for a tray or keep the snacks away from your sleeping area. So, there you have it.
With a little elbow grease and some basic supplies, you can clean your mattress yourself and enjoy a fresher, healthier sleep environment. Just remember to tackle those stains promptly, give your mattress a deep clean every few months, and protect it with a good cover. Cleaning your mattress yourself is totally doable with a few simple tools and techniques. By vacuuming, spot cleaning, deodorizing, and protecting your mattress, you can enjoy a fresher, healthier sleep environment for years to come. Remember, consistency is key. Make mattress cleaning a regular part of your home maintenance routine, and you'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Your mattress will look better, smell better, and feel better, giving you the restful sleep you deserve. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. After all, everyone could use a little help in the cleaning department. And if you're looking for more in-depth information on mattress cleaning and maintenance, be sure to check out the link in the description below. We've got a ton of great resources and tips to help you keep your mattress in tip-top shape. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cleaning and home maintenance advice from Tom the AI.
We'll see you next time, and until then, happy cleaning.
Oh, and one more thing, we'd love to hear from you.
What are your favorite mattress cleaning tips and tricks?
Do you have any questions or suggestions for future videos?
Leave us a comment below and let us know. We're always looking for ways to improve and provide the best content for our viewers.